Hey, what up boys? Just got a new car. Check this out. It's a BMW 330i xDrive 2019 with black wheels. This is the M Sport package. Just kidding guys, it's not my car, it's my cousin's. Calvin. Dude, congratulations man. Yeah. So you waited like a whole month or so for this to come? It was like in the shipping port.
It's like 2 months.
We're about to grill. So yeah, he has some ideas for the car right now, which he's gonna wrap the chrome pieces right here in the front to match, you know, the black trims on the other side and the black wheels. Gonna wrap the roof in gloss black. Literally just picked it up like 15 minutes ago. Don't have the license plate on it yet. Wow, that's got a lot of trunk space. Oh, can you fit in there?
Nope.
Very nice. This is the key, guys. I really like the shape of this and the color on the side. Here you go, brother. Alright, so we're just gonna go in for a nice little cruise. See what this baby can do. Check out this cool camera feature. Show them what it could do. Whoa. This is insane. Wow. It is so cool. Look, this is the water, the view. We're not like joking around. This is the view right now. And yeah. Like if I put my hand out, will you see anything?
Somewhat. I think the camera.
Oh yeah, yeah. You can see my hand right there. But wow, this is amazing. The technology these days. Alright, so now he's driving off.
I just drive this.
Yeah, you don't need to see the front anymore. You can just watch the screen and just drive with that. So yeah, we're just going down this area with like really nice houses. This is called the Malba Bay. This is called the Malba Bay near College Point. Oh, it's got some really nice torque to it. So this got a huge display as well as the screen in front of his steering wheel.
I'm gonna put the camera mount right here, magnet.
Oh yeah.
It's like perfectly right here. Look at this.
Oh, that's perfect.
Right, literally, I'll put it like right here.
You're gonna have like so much like display.
It's literally perfect. I kind of wish the inside was like, instead of orange, it was like blue, because I like the color blue out here.
So like these accent lightings right here, there's a setting that you can change it to different colors. There's, right now he changed it to blue, but you can change it to white, red, orange, purple. How do you feel right now, Calvin?
Feel pretty happy.
You sound like it. You sound like it. So yeah, he's had a G35 before, which he hit like a construction metal plate on the road, and that kind of messed up his subframe. So he needed a severe upgrade, and yeah, I'm very happy for him. Dude, congratulations, man. This is awesome.
White doesn't look that bad.
Alright, so that's it for today. We're gonna try to enjoy the car, and we'll update you guys with the car like later on with like a full review. But yeah, we're just gonna enjoy the car and see what kind of features it has. And yeah, peace out.
Peace out.